1903 we sailed out to sea, out from the sweet town of Derry. For Australia bound, if we didn't all drown, and the marks on our fetters we carry. In our rusty iron chains we cried for our wains, our good women left home in sorrow. As the mainsails unfurled, our curses we hurled on England and thoughts of
George.
George, you're confusing all.
Like I gave a couple of my brothers like my nephew.
I wish I was back home in Derry. Whoa, I wish I was back home in Derry. At the mouth of the foyle bid farewell to the soil, as down below decks we were lying. O'Doherty screamed, woken out of a dream by a vision of Bull Robert dying. The sun burned cruel as we dished out the gruel, Dan O'Connor was down with a fever. 60 rebels today bound for Botany Bay, how many will reach the receiver? Whoa, I wish I was back home in Derry. Whoa, I wish I was back home in Derry. We cussed them to hell as a bow for the swell, our ship danced like a moth in the firelight. White horses rode high as the devil passed by, taking souls to Hades by twilight. 5 weeks out to sea, we were now 43. We buried our comrades this morning, and in our own slime we're lost in a time, endless night without dawning. Oh, I wish I was back home in Derry. Whoa, I wish I was back home in Derry. Oh. Well, Van Diemen's Land is a hell for a man to end up his whole life in slavery, where the climate is raw and the gun makes the law, neither wind nor rain care for bravery. 20 years have gone by and I've ended my bond, my comrades' ghosts walk behind me. A rebel I came and I'm still just the same, on the cold winds of night you will find me. Whoa, I wish I was back home in Derry. Whoa, I wish I was back home in Derry. Whoa, I wish I was back home in Derry. Whoa.